Yo, what is happening, family? This is probably the worst angle I've ever set up in the gym. Today we have another collab, another training session. They're coming thick and fast right now. Yo, what is happening, family? Welcome to the video. It's kind of dark in here. Let me put the light on. The light is on. Do you know what? This place has got so dark. I'm gonna digress for a bit. The place has got so dark because I've just got shelves everywhere and it's just blocking all the lights. It's crazy. Anyway, listen, welcome to the video. I'm here at the RAHQ right now, just going to pick up some bits and pieces from this top shelf. Some new t-shirts that I'm gonna wear today. We have another collaboration, peeps. Was hit up on the DMs by a lady. She seems pretty cool. Can't wait to meet her. I want to hear her story. She skips and she's very interested to be trained by moi. So I'm very privileged, I'm very honoured, and I can't wait to meet her, to be honest. I think she has a fascinating story, and I think it's going to be very powerful as well for the channel and for the community and for the skipping movement in general. So listen, as always, sit back, relax. It's going to be very raw. I'm going to get moving very soon because I don't want to be late. I'm always late. Can't find anything in this place. It's on the other side. So in a few weeks, guys, we have a new launch, kind of like an autumny winter launch. I've got a couple of new t-shirts coming out, very lifestyle. I've got also a women's collection, women's leggings, and we've also got some men's leggings as well. But for now, I need to get this one back up there now. What a mission. Got the goodie bag. Haven't got my watch. It is now around about 11:15. I really need to get going. I think I'm going to run late. I better message her, but I need to get there for about 12 o'clock, so it's going to take me about 50 minutes. But otherwise, this is quickly the new tee, guys. I'm going to set you up here so you can have a quick look at it. I'm not sure what to really call this one, but this is really lifestyle-y. It's so cool. It feels absolutely amazing. Hopefully you can see it. We've got a kind of fishtail at the back here, a little slit. Really kind of cool, loose scoop neck here. Not too kind of crazy, but it's like a really nice kind of fit where you got kind of like a nice little bit of space for your neck. Obviously got the RA logo here on the top left, and at the bottom here, hopefully you can see there's like a little tag, a yellow tag which says Rush Athletics. Really nice and discreet. I really love it, guys. It's like not cut too high, not too low, so again can always bring out the definitions in the arms, make you guys look pumped, but it's really to bridge the gap between the lifestyle and fitness, and you can just wear it with jeans, with your shorts like I am today, train with it, go out in it, and I really love it, man. It just feels so soft. If you guys have ever bought anything from RA before, any t-shirts, any joggers, you know that this quality is like super premium. If I could just get you to touch it on the camera, it'd be good. But like, it's so soft, it feels so nice. I'm wearing the black version. It's going to come in navy blue as well. So this autumn we're introducing navy blue for the first time. Normally it's kind of black, whites, greys, burgundies, yellows. So we're introducing navy blue for the kind of autumn vibe. So this in two colorways, and then also we're going to have the long sleeve as well, which you saw in the Hyde Park meetup and in some photos as well recently. But we've got some shoots coming up on it. I won't bore you too much. I'm going to take you along for the ride now. I'm running late.
I was in the 212 on the uptown. You know what?
It wasn't my fault. It's never my fault when I'm late. But we are close. I'm going towards East London, so it's a place called Crayford. I live in South London, so it's like southeast even. So it's like it's not even that far mileage, man. It's like less than like 9 miles or something. It takes an hour. That's how crazy London's traffic is. Sorry for being late.
No, it's fine. I'll see you in a second.
I'll be there soon. Alright, cool, thank you. Hopefully she wasn't pissed. So sorry I'm late. I'm terrible. Is it okay to record in here? Cool. Yes. Look at this room. Good. Yo, check this out, people. This is a really cool room. So let's quickly introduce you to the family, man. Guys, I'm going to introduce you to Jana. Is that how you say it?
Hello.
Say hi to the family.
Yeah.
So we are training Jana.
I'm excited.
You excited, yeah? We're gonna get you doing some cool stuff today. But yeah, introduce yourself, what you do, and like how you got into skipping would be nice.
My name is Ioana and my page is about plus size fitness, so I'm trying to...
We're gonna put her stuff right here underneath somewhere beside her. Plus size fitness, yeah? And you're from Romania, right?
My page is about plus size fitness. I'm trying to encourage women to be active and overall to be active in order to maintain a healthy mindset, because that's what I'm all about. And what I'm gonna do next, I just got my PT qualification.
Nice, well done.
So I'm gonna start training people. I'm gonna try to get them into skipping.
Good.
Because that's something that I love, and overall, just want to make people happier. So that's my goal.
Love that. Big up.
Yeah.
This is Jana, and we're gonna do some cool stuff today, guys. This is the room. We're in Crayford. This is, what's this place called again? Crayford Life and Weights and Fitness. Really nice room here. I am late as always. And we're looking good. I'm gonna take the sunglasses off probably when I do this, but
no, that's your brand.
I know. When I come indoors though, I have to be professional with the training. You can do the double unders, alright? I've seen you do double unders.
Double unders,
alright,
but
so
I cannot do one double and then the cross.
Alright, we're gonna work on that.
That's something I want to try.
Sweet, let's work on that. Let's go. Just feel relaxed. Nice. That's nice. She's killing these people. Check out this one cross. Nice and slow, yeah, Jana? Controlled. Good. Nice and controlled. Not too fast, not too fast. Much better. Look at this timing, people, man. It's unreal. Wow. At this moment, guys, we're working on footwork. I'm just trying to get her to do kind of the slower steps. Taking it slow and then building up the speed. But then her timing is so good that I don't even need to worry about getting her to jump lower. It's just...
I'd be proud of myself.
You should be proud of yourself, man. Let's try. So we've gone through a few combinations. Just turn the camera off a little bit. Nice and slow. Good, slow it down. Perfect.
I'm gonna make you be proud of me.
I'm already proud, man.
In like a month or two.
You're super quick at learning. Right, so double under crossovers. She's gonna give it a go. Nice. So she's doing the first part. It's a tough move, right?
I'm gonna die here.
She says she's gonna die. Softly, much better.
Oh, this was better.
Much better, you see?
Okay.
You're getting the conditioning now. Slow the rope, uncross it, and then go. One time. A little break. Can you get this, yeah? I feel you're gonna get this. She's using my rope as well, by the way, guys.
The magic rope.
She's using the rope that's been broken. Yes! We got it on camera. Oi!
You see?
I told you. I told her I was gonna turn on the camera and we're gonna do it on that first take. That was sick. First double under crossover. Alright, 2 o'clock right now.
I've been skipping for over an hour.
She killed it. She skipped for an hour. It's a little bit windy. Hopefully you can hear me. You guys have obviously seen kind of the way I teach now, like some of the training sessions that I have in the vlogs, but she's one of the quickest I've ever seen learn. So big up for that. Yeah. I've been getting a lot of messages recently from a couple of people, but like I'm gonna put some on the screen right now. Like I've got a few messages talking about how skipping, or I'm not showing enough skipping for like the kind of like bigger people, or I'm not doing stuff with bigger people or heavy people, and it's like I feel like those people maybe
I'm here to represent you.
She's representing, but she's got skills, and I think that the point of those messages were, and skipping isn't just for like the slim people, right? Like skipping can be for any types of body weight, shapes, sizes, whatever it is. And Ioana's got amazing technique, and she's got amazing like body conditioning to get it done and get it done right way. And you don't feel no pain, right, in your knees or in your legs and stuff like that. So it just goes to show that you can do anything, you can perform at any level, and it's going to help you really get into shape and feel good about yourself. In terms of your mission, like just let these guys know what you're up to. I think it'd be really like motivating for them to hear as well.
So with me, as you can see from the video, I'm a bigger woman, and I'm just trying to break the stereotypes that bigger women don't train. Like I do train, I put on a lot of work, and I want to help other people to do the same, because I know with skipping you don't look very good when you do it, and look at my face, I'm all red and everything, but at the end of the day it matters how you feel after, and I feel amazing. Make a step towards the better you, because that's my mission. get the best version of yourself out there.
That's it, man. All right, I'm gonna leave her details in the bio as well. You guys go check her out. But otherwise, thank you so much for inviting me.
Thank
And I
you
hope you had a
for
good time.
coming over.
But yeah, man, I'll see you soon.
Yeah, bye.
Peace. Things we do for YouTube, man. Got hungry. I was just about to drive out of this complex where the gym is, and I saw there's a Nando's. And I thought, you know what, I'm hungry, so I am going to get me some Nando's. Today I'm going to try and hit the gym later on, and get editing, of course, for there's so many warning lights in my car. You know what, folks, like, I've been doing this now for 4 years, and I want to get the message straight, right? I want to get it across to as many people as I can, right? This piece of plastic, I was trying to look for the skipping rope, it's not here, but this thing that I'm trying to promote, right, is for everyone out there. And so many of you who watch these vlogs are already been like, yeah, you've been part of the journey, you are the journey. But the new people that come on board, like those who have only been following me for like a couple of months, and yeah, they may not know the full story, just remember, guys, that this thing is for everyone. As long as you can cut the excuses out your life, like, all of that shit just needs to go, because that is what's going to hold you back. That is the reason why so many of you are just like, you know, it's never going to happen for me, because you just create these excuses, you create these blocks, these obstacles that just prevent you from doing what you need to do, right? And I'm a guy who's all about tough love, and I don't really share it that much on this channel, but I really do get annoyed when people tell me, like, you know, this is not for me, this is for only slim people, and it's not for big people. Like, it's just rubbish. It's just, again, people making excuses. So if you're watching this and you know, you're looking for something to get into shape, you're looking for something to give you kind of a target, a goal, then skipping is super, like, it's just perfect. It's just the best thing. And I know I'm going to be biased, and I have a skipping channel, but it really is the truth, guys. And I hope that Ioana's story and what she does and how she does it does kind of motivate, promote, inspire anyone watching this today.